let's turn on this output LED by IR LEDs. Okay, now I have connected my output LED with pin number 7 of Arduino board and IR LED with 8 number of Arduino board. Okay, now let's do our board setup section. Now declare our output LED as an output pin mode, output as an output pin mode, IR as an input. Okay, now let's do our void loop section. First of all, we will read the bits from IR LEDs, digital read IR. Alright, now if bits equals to 1, then digital write output high. Now let's add some delay, okay, to turn on the LED for some time. Okay, 0. Now let's drop the delay. Low. Okay, now upload the code on Arduino board. Alright, as there is no object between these two LEDs, so my output is still off. Okay, as object comes between these two LEDs, my output will glow. Okay, that's it. Alright, so let's do our next exercise.